Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the service menu on this device. First, we need to turn off our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the control button. When the menu appears on the screen, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, select the power off option, and then press the GPS button and press it again to turn off the watch. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the down button and keep holding it. While holding the down button, press and hold the light button to turn on the watch. And then release the light button, but keep holding the down button. Keep holding it until the service menu appears on the screen. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the service menu. In this menu, you can use the down button to switch between different features or tests. As you can see, we can also press the set back button to scroll through different tests like this. We have the I believe screen test, the backlight. You can test your backlight. Press the buttons. Oh, this is the buttons test, I believe, or maybe backlight. Yeah, I think it's backlight. Then you can press back button to go to different test. This is the heart rate, so I believe it's testing the sensor. Next we have location, gyro test, or HR test, NFC test. You can enable it or disable it by pressing the GPS button. You can scroll through different modes, as you can see. ANT test, rather, my bad. And you can press the GPS button to turn it on and turn it off. Barrow test, BLE test, vibe test, so you can press the GPS button. And also you can change the profile by pressing the menu button, like this. Next we have the force test mode disabled, and you can enable it, but I'm not sure what it does. And once you're done, you should be back on this page. And to exit the service menu, press and hold the control or rather light button until the watch turns off, and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again, like this. And that's how you enter the service menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.